If you work with a multilingual keyboard like I do, you've probably noticed that after typing for a while, you end up choosing the wrong input language. It's annoying, it slows you down, but guess what? There's a fix. I used Gemini AI to create a browser extension that solves this problem with just one click. Just head over to the Chrome Web Store and install the extension. Click on the extension icon, open the menu, and select Settings. Now you can search for and choose your preferred language. And the next time your keyboard messes up, just click the extension's floating icon. It instantly copies all your text. Then select the target language, convert the text, and replace it. If only part of your text is wrong, just highlight the incorrect section and repeat the same steps using the floating icon. You can hide the floating icon using this button, and it will reappear after you refresh the page. You can also highlight the text, right-click, and send it straight to the extension to apply the changes and copy the results later. And hey, if you're interested in exciting AI videos, please join us at One Click Tutorials AI Adventures.